Online contract review, platforms versus traditional law firms. Which one is better for fast contract drafting? You won't believe how much time is wasted on routine contract drafting. Most people assume traditional law firms are the fastest solution, but online contract review platforms are changing the game. Online contract review platforms use artificial intelligence to analyze, draft, and standardize agreements in minutes. They can flag unusual clauses, ensure compliance with company policies, and even suggest optimized language. For example, a business reviewing dozens of vendor contracts can generate consistent, compliant drafts in a fraction of the time it would take an associate. Platforms reduce repetitive work, minimize errors, and free lawyers to focus on strategic review. Traditional law firms rely on human associates and partners to draft and review contracts. While they provide nuanced judgment, legal interpretation, and client-specific customization, the process is slower and costlier. Drafting multiple similar contracts can consume hours of associate time, which adds up for companies managing high volumes of agreements. The key difference is speed and scale versus human judgment and context. Online platforms excel at high volume, repetitive drafting, providing consistency and efficiency. Traditional firms offer expertise for complex contracts requiring bespoke solutions or negotiation strategy. Many businesses adopt a hybrid approach, using platforms for initial drafting and associates for review, negotiation, and client-specific adjustments. The takeaway is clear: fast contract drafting doesn't mean sacrificing quality. The surprising truth is that leveraging online contract review platforms allows businesses to accelerate operations, reduce costs, and maintain accuracy, while law firms add strategic value where human insight is essential. In today's fast-paced corporate environment, combining technology with legal expertise is the smartest way forward.